So hi everyone, today we have a special guest on our channel. We have Samarth coming again for the second video. So Samarth, would you like to introduce yourself to the new viewers?
Yeah, sure. Hi all, I'm Samarth Nehe. I'm currently working at Uber as a SD2. Prior to this, I've worked in Make My Trip and Myntra. So in the last 7-8 months, I've been giving a lot of interviews and I've cleared some of the companies like Amazon, Techion, Myntra, Razorpay, Dream11, and obviously Uber. And yeah, I'm really excited for this podcast.
Right. And in this video, we'll be getting to know about his Dream11 interview experience. So Samarth, all the stays to you. Can you tell us about your interview experience at Dream11? Like what all happened? How many rounds were there? How did it go?
Sure. It all started with the application actually. I had seen an opening for Dream11 for React Native. So I applied for that role specifically. Within 1 week or something, the recruiter reached out to me. There is an opening and we liked your profile. You can like continue for it. It was for the Mumbai location. So I said yes. Location is not some issue for me. I can go for it. Then the interviews were scheduled like 1 week after that because I was in some function. So what happened is they gave me a proper document of what interviews will be conducted, what to expect from them. They sent me an email about what Dream11 is as a company and everything. They were really good. The start was really good, and the first round was DSA. Sadly, so DSA mein, I knew like I had revised the interview experiences already, like before even starting the preparation for Dream11 explicitly.
Yeah.
So I knew what companies were asking what kind of questions. And DSA round, I knew that they'll ask mostly a medium or maximum little like 6 out of 10 types questions. So I prepared them well from cyber sheet and the blind 75 sheet that I told. And the first round they had two questions. One was easy medium type, like around 5 out of 10, and the second one was 7 out of 10 type question. So one was for a string question which was done in 15-20 minutes, and second one was a linked list question which was a question from cyber sheet only, I think.
Standard problem.
Yeah, standard problem. It was, I think, lead code hard, that question. It is there in cyber sheet. I don't remember. It was some linked list question only. I could not solve the second one completely because of time constraint. I could do 90% of it. So even then, I got a call for the second round because I was able to explain, because I knew I had 2 minutes only and I could not do the code it. So I left it and I explained him the approach. At least it's not like I am coding and even I could not tell I knew it. So that actually I think increased the chances. Second question was they call it something like a platform round plus system design. So it's basically like I'll recommend one thing is you use the Dream11 app once, because there are high chances they'll ask you to do a machine coding or system design on the app itself. Like they'll give you a page and they'll ask you कि ये इसका system design बनाओ. So I actually got a page of Dream11 only, and they asked me to how will you do the LLD of this. So it's like what classes you have, what methods you have, and basically what will be the functions. How will you manage this particular part of it? How will you make sure that they are in sync? And then some questions on follow-up questions on debounce throttle, how where you will use it, or like what will happen if you click on a button continuously. So it's like the follow-up questions only, but related to that particular page they asked it. So it was not actually coding round. You did not show an output. It was just their own code editor where you had to type make the objects and basically write the functions, parameters, return type. It was like that. There's no output required. And for the next two rounds, they had called me to Mumbai to the office. It was a face-to-face interview. Two interviews were, one was HM, hiring manager, and second was HR. So HM was like a very typical hiring manager round. It was mostly about my experience in the previous company, what projects I've worked, what was the challenges I faced, and because I had transitioned from SD1 to SD2, what was the role difference, what was the responsibility difference that I faced. It was mostly based, like it was 60% on my projects, 20% on my responsibilities and roles, and remaining 20 about like behavioral questions, like what will you do if the manager says your approach is wrong, or manager says ki you have a fight with your manager, something like that. It was like that questions. And HR was like nothing special. It was just a normal HR round where they ask you why are you leaving the previous company, and like what do you expect from here, what will you do if tomorrow you're not satisfied with the company, or like it's just a normal HR round, nothing very different.
Hi everyone, I really hope you enjoyed the video with Samarth. Make sure that you follow him on LinkedIn and check him out on TopMate as well. The links will be in the description. Now, before you leave, let me tell you a great resource that you can use to master the skills that are required to crack the top product based companies or the high paying companies that you want to. And what I'm talking about is Educative. So, Educative is my favorite platform for placement preparation. And within a single subscription of Educative, you get multiple courses, including the world's best system design course, and course for DSA, course for coding, course for React. Basically, you get a course of everything within one single subscription of Educative. And the best part is that you're getting more than 70% off on that subscription, but it is a limited time offer. So if you're someone who wants to crack their dream company, then Educative is the best platform for you. So you'll find a link in the description. Using that, you'll get more than 70% off on Educative subscription. So what are you waiting for? Go click the link in the description and check out Educative right now. And see you again in the next video.